guys, it's Singer. I'm here. Yay. I just wanted to make this video real quick as possible, because something is wrong. When something's wrong, I like to tell you guys. But I'm not sure. I just want to make sure you know why I'm not posting, and so you don't get worried and stuff. I shouldn't be posting this video. I should be laying down in bed. Because my body, today been acting up. I thought this was long gone. It was gone forever. It came back. I don't know what it is, but it's scary. Oh my god, I'm gonna start crying. I don't know what it is or like whatever. It's to the point that my hand goes numb. And no, I'm not laying on it or anything. It just happened today, and I felt sick. I couldn't put my arm. I was just a hot mess. And so I now have a hot mess because I'm crying. It's hard to go through that kind of stuff, and to remember the last time I had it was when I went to the emergency room because it was that bad. That could be another story if you guys want to hear it. It was terrible. Oh my god, I'm still crying. So that's why I'm probably not gonna make videos. Cause I'm working on making a music video and stuff. But if this keeps on happening, I might have to stop making videos for a long time, because I want to make sure I'm in a healthy condition and I'm not sick or whatever's going on to my body. I'm probably not getting anything what my body needs. But yeah, I said that. But I'm gonna make sure I feel better in order to make my videos and just say, hey guys, because I'm not that popular, like, and I'm like, no, are you saying hey guys right now because I am sick. My head hurts. I took ibuprofen like a long time ago. Not really a long time, but I don't know. It's been really bad. Ibuprofen is not working. No medicine is working for me. My head hurts that bad, and I almost didn't want to make this video, but I said, you know what, I'm doing it because I care about you guys, and I want you to know what's going on. So she's like, oh, hey, Singer, like, where is Singer? She hasn't been posting. It is because of that. But if it's just for today, I will be really happy that it will stop. I hope it stops because it hurts. It's not a cold. It is not a cold. I think I got past the cold. Not really. Kind of. I'm in that middle. I don't know. So I don't know what's next or like what's happening to my body. Is my body fighting something in the inside of me? I got no idea. My vision, I can't see on the left side. I couldn't control my phone because I couldn't text. No, I didn't feel good. it's just terrible that, you know, the last time you had it, you went to the emergency room and you think, what if it gets worse? Is it going to get worse? Am I going to get blind? You get concerned because, like, something's wrong with your vision. You're seeing black dots. You can't see the left side of you. Well, bam, I'm crying right now. I'm sorry. I'm so emotional. But my vision is back on the left side. And so I don't know if it's going to do that tomorrow. I hope not because it hurts. My head was pounding all day and just, oh my god. I really wanted to call my mom. I was like, but I took a nap. My symptoms that I had settled down, but I have the huge, enormous headache. I don't know if it's a migraine or a headache. It's probably a migraine. I'm trying so hard not to cough right now, so I took a cough drop because every time I cough, my head starts pounding like my brains are going to explode. I don't know what's wrong, and, you know, maybe it's just for this day, and I won't have it ever again. I would be so happy. But the last time I had it, I had a lot of symptoms. I was dizzy, I seen black dots, and yeah. I don't want to go through with that again because just it's scary. And just like to go through something like that, it's like, what? Like, what's going on? Is my body fighting something? Or like, you know, whatever. But I think I'm fine. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it's for today, or maybe not getting something that I need in my body. I just wanted to have this quick video so you know, like, why I'm not posting a lot of videos. I started today, like, with my mom. Left to go to work, which was in the morning times, like 7-ish. It started happening, like, when my dad came back. So, I don't know. So, I just wanted to make that quick. It's probably just gonna end and not start up again, but it is a pain in the butt to have this because you feel like, oh my god, I'm gonna puke, but you don't actually puke. It's just in the pain of the butt. Okay. Yeah, it's just pain in the button. Because you feel like you can't do anything. Like, it's confusing because you're like, am I sick? Like, what is this? And for a minute, I was like, I may be sick, you know. No. Why would your hair go numb and you can't see the left side of your vision? Like, left side of your eyeball. Why can't you see that hand? Is that... I don't know. You just tell me what you think it is. I got no idea. But it's probably gonna be over and I can make more videos and work on that music video that I'm doing, which, yeah, awesome. Oh my god. I really need a okay, excuse me. Ow, ow. Oh my god. God help me. Okay, so thank you for listening to my complaining right now. Yeah, thank you for listening to my complaining. Yeah. this video is just about me complaining being sick, like something's wrong with my body. I ain't got no idea. But it's probably nothing, I'm probably fine. So, yeah, I did get emotional in this video. Oh, goodness gracious. So, if you like this video, okay, I don't know if you will, leave a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, why did you listen to me complain? And if you really like my videos that much, subscribe. Subscribe. Leave a like. Boom. That's all I have. Yeah, basically. Now the ending gets weird for me, like. Okay. Bye, guys.